everyone. So today I want to review the PlantNet app. It's a free open source database of plant pictures that's community supported by donation. So there's a massive amount of plants online for comparison. This is what the app looks like. So I'm going to read you what it says online about PlantNet. It says PlantNet is a citizen science project for automatic plant identification through photographs and based on machine learning. It's an app for smartphones and a web version which allows to identify thousands of plant species from photographs taken by the user. Here's the app. I'm going to tap on it. And this is what it looks like. And then you just tap on the photo symbol here. And it'll take a picture of the plant you're trying to identify. So I have a lot of plants outside, but I'm going to first try it on some of these flowers that I have in a bouquet. How about, I wonder if it would figure out what this green thing is here. Let's see. Take a picture. I'll click flower. Oh, it's a Sweet William. So it seems to be working well. How about these little things here? Are these even real? I don't know what those are. It did. Tall Tutson. It worked. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and try my outdoor plants. Okay, I wonder if it'll guess my jade plant. Check mark. It's a leaf. It did. Jade plant. Pretty cool. Alright, let's try another one. Okay, how about this vine that I have growing up my wall? Check. That's a leaf. Heartley philodendron. That sounds about right. It matches all these other plants online. Okay, I have these tomato plants I've been growing. I know what kind they are. Let's see if the plant app will know what kind of tomatoes they are. It says currant tomato. I don't know if that's right or not. These are called flavor bombs from Walmart. But I'll have to check and see if that's the same thing. Looks the same as the other pictures. Okay, I wonder if it could tell this is a sweet potato leaf. Turn on the camera. It's a leaf. Ah, it figured it out. Sweet potato. I'll confirm. That'll share my pictures too. Okay, these are all my plants that I put together to transplant. I have a lot of work to do. A lot of these I repot, put in bigger pots, trim things down. everything I had over the winter. So I was going to try some of these out. Ooh, this one. I think I know what this is. Let's see if it figures it out. It's some kind of tree. It'll surprise you. Okay. Looks almost like an oak leaf, but it's not. Let's see, I'll get this one here. Leaf. Pink pooey? Taboobuya. That's what it is. And it knows that it's a pink taboobuya. Wow. How does it even know what color it is? That's so neat. Wow. Okay. I have this big, giant leafed plant. I got this one at work. They were going to throw it away, so I took it home to save it. This leaf is about 12 inches long. So leaf. White bird of paradise. I wonder how it even knows the color. It looks so similar to the other colors. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. How about this one? It's kind of a plain leaf. This is a plant I usually have indoors. Leaf. Ficus retusa, Indian laurel. Confirm. Look at that leaf. Let's see what this is. Philodendron hastatum, silver sword. Yep. Correct. How about this plant? I want to try something with a berry and see if it can figure it out. All right. Oh, fruit. Coralberry, that's right. Perfect. How about this one? Let's try that. Yellow leaf. Coleus, yes. It tells you what kind of coleus it is, if you can pronounce it. Just like these. Okay, I have this one tree here that's kind of shriveled up. So I don't know if it'll be able to tell, but I put a label on this one so I wouldn't forget. That's what it is. I see one little good leaf up here. Let's see if it can identify it from that one little leaf. Leaf. Sour orange. I'll have to look that up. This one's... Okay, how about this one? It's got all rough edges. Something was eating it. I wonder if it'll guess that one. It is a lychee, or lychee, however you pronounce it. I have about 5 of these plants grown from seeds. How about this one here? I wonder if it'll get the grassy looking ones. This is actually a flower plant here. Big blue lily turf. How about this one? I think it's some kind of philodendron. Celone philodendron plant. Okay, how about this one here? Mini Monstera. That's correct. I'm going to try this plant. I have a Foxtail Fern in a pot that I made. What do you think of that? Huh. I have this in another video that I made. It's supposed to be the rock. Dwayne Johnson. Anyway, let's see if it can figure this one out. Big leaf. Asparagus fern. I thought it was a foxtail fern. Oh my god, I have to try this. These are allium flowers that I made in another video with golf balls and nails. I wonder if it will figure out what kind of flowers these are. See if it picks up that they're allium, even though they're fake. Flower. It says Lily of the Nile. Let me see. Oops. Details. Yeah, oh, by the way, you can click on details and get more information on the plants too. So, well, that one didn't work because it's fake. Huh. Ooh, how about this one? This is on a tree that's falling down. I need to trim it. I wonder if it'll guess what this is by the flower. Let's see. It's Moringa. It's a Moringa tree. Oh, and right here I have another fruit tree. Let's see if it guesses what this is. Mango, correct. Confirm that one. I have another tree over here that badly needs water. We haven't had rain in a while. I need to water it, that's what it is. And see if I can find a leaf that isn't curled up. Leaf. Lime tree. It's a lemon tree. This, oh, the second one's correct. First one says lime, second one says lemon. It's a lemon. How about these vines that are very invasive? Musketeer Grape. I hate these. They're so invasive. Ooh, how about this one? I really like this plant. Let's see if it knows what this is. Let's see. Song of India. That's what it is. That's one of my favorite plants out here in my yard. How about this one? Try the leaf. Rubber plant, yes. Oh, here we go. I have this jasmine vine growing up my oak trees. All the way up there. It smells so good right now. Let's see if it knows the jasmine flower. That's a flower. Star jasmine. Yep. It worked. Okay, here's my big Boganvilla bush. Let's see if it gets this one. So we'll do leaf. Boganvilla. Yep. Okay, here's another one of my favorites. Plumbago. Flower. Plumbago. We'll save that one. Oh, I bet it won't get this one. This one's all wilty. Needs water. We need rain. This is another one of my favorites. Leaf. Manaka. What is it? It's this one actually. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So the first one is wrong and the second one is correct. I can't believe it got it by that leaf though. Wow. So confirm this one. I wonder if it would get a pine cone. Is a pine cone a flower? I don't know. Let's try it and see what happens. A flower. Longleaf pitch pine, that's correct. Okay. Okay, this one I have growing up on an umbrella skeleton, a vine. Leaf. Queen's Race, that's right. Oh, that's pretty amazing. How about this one? See if it'll guess this. Leaf. Copperleaf. No, it's a cranberry hibiscus. So the second one was correct. How about this bush? No flowers yet. This one gets little tiny purple flowers. Golden dewdrop. That's right. Okay, now I'm out back. This is a tree that I planted a few years ago. Let's see if it can guess what kind it is by the leaves. That's right, bald cypress. Perfect. Okay, how about this? Let's try to guess a flower. A flower. Lantana. It even tells you what kind it is. Well, Lantana camera, that's right. Here, confirm this one. I wonder if it'll try to guess one of my glass flowers. Let me try it and see what happens. I upcycle glass and make these garden flowers in my other videos. It's a flower. No plant. Didn't work. It knew I was tricking it. Okay, I have this giant cactus in my yard. It actually grew in the shade. I wonder if it can guess what kind of cactus this is. Let's try. Okay, I took a picture. Bark. Queen of the Night. Or hedge cactus. I thought it was an apple cactus. It does get really big white flowers on it at night, and it gets little purple fruit on it. It's not dragon fruit, but it looks kind of similar. Okay, I'm just going to go down the road here and see if there's any other interesting plants I can check out. Oh, here's one. A giant palm frond. Let's see what kind it is. It's a dwarf palmetto. That sounds right. I've always wondered what this tree is in my yard, but I wonder if I could tell from the bark. See all these holes here? That's woodpecker holes. There is bark. Oriental Plain? Oriental Plain. Or, oh, American Sycamore, that sounds right. American Sycamore. Okay. Well, here are some trees I planted about, I don't know, 25 years ago. I can't remember what it's called. So let's see if we can identify it. Leaf. Cypress. I didn't think it was a cypress. Eastern Red Cedar. I think that one's what it is right there. Yeah, Eastern Red Cedar. I think that's it. This is a little tree that I have in the front yard. Gets yellow flowers on it. Leaf. Cashia. Perfect. That's it. This is another tree that I have in my front yard. Leaf. It's a fruit tree. Avocado. Yes. So what I have to say about this app is it's pretty awesome. I'm overall impressed by how well it figured out what kind of plants these were. And so I would recommend it. Plus it's free. Can't beat that. And it's really fun to go around and figure out what kind of plants you have. So yeah, it's a really great app. You should download it. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.